Hey, so if you no longer want to use Booking.com and you're thinking about deleting your account, yeah, you can do it. But there are a few important things you should know first. In this guide, I'll show you how to delete a Booking.com account step by step in 2026. First, open Booking.com and sign into the account you want to delete. Now go to your profile or account settings section. Before deleting, make sure you don't have any active reservations or pending trips. Booking.com usually requires you to contact customer support to request account deletion. Send a request asking to delete your account permanently. You may need to verify your identity or confirm via email before deletion. After approval, Booking.com will confirm that your account has been deleted. If you use the app, you can also uninstall it and clear saved data from your device. Keep in mind, you may lose access to booking history, receipts, and saved preferences after deletion. And yeah, that's it. That's how you delete your Booking.com account safely in 2026.